Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use fitness app on iPhone. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, install fitness app on App Store, and after that open this fitness app. From here you guys can see personal information. Enter your personal information, date of birth, gender and height and weight. Fill this form. Wait a some second. And after that set your gender and height and weight and tap on done and tap on continue. From here you guys can see two option, plus and minus. Your daily move goal, set your daily move goal, and after that tap on set move goal. Wait a some second. You guys can see after that you are unable use fitness app. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.